is for antelope, swift and free. B is for buffalo, strong as can be. C is for cheetah, running so fast. D is for dolphin with a splashy blast. Let's go on an animal spree, singing our ABC. From A to Z, come sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. E is for eagle, soaring so high. F is for flamingo, in pink they fly. G is for goat, climbing steep hills. H is for hippo, who loves to chill. Let's go on an animal spree, singing our ABC. From A to Z, come sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. I is for impala, leaping with grace. J is for jellyfish, drifting through space. K is for koala, in eucalyptus trees. L is for lemur, swinging with ease. M is for mola, digging below. N is for narwhal, with a tusk to show. O is for ostrich, who runs so quick. P is for parrot, with a clever trick. Let's go on an animal spree, singing our ABC. From A to Z, come sing with me. Learning's fun as it can be. Q is for quokka, always so sweet. R is for raccoon, with a mask so neat. S is for seal, sliding on ice. T is for toucan, who looks so nice. U is for umbrella bird, flapping around. V is for vitrina, soft and profound. W is for walrus, with tusks so wide. X is for xeris, who scurries to hide. Y is for yellowtail, swimming so fast. Z is for zebu, from the grasslands vast. Now we've sung the ABC with animals, come sing with me. Let's go on